Goose 45 Enterprises Inc. Presents. Dog Meowser plays with the Cymbals at the library / grounded. And it was inspired by Dmitry Mykhaylov, the Disney fan, Junior Pork the Plotagon, and iMovie Maker 2K4, the Superstar Teen Girl 2K8, Elemental Master 24, Tyler Strand, Westside Dragon 93, and Cyborg Cowboy Zagai OS. I'm going to play the Cymbals at the library because I have nothing to do in the library. Hi ho 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 ho. Hi ha ha. Now it's time to play the Cymbals in the library in 3, 2, 1. Hey. Hey you. Right now. Stop playing with the Cymbals right now. Library is a place to be quiet, so stop playing with the Cymbals right now. Never. Hey. Stop talking. Stop playing with the Cymbals right now. Hey. Be quiet. Stop playing with the Cymbals right now.
Excuse me.
Hey, what is going on over here? You can hear you two play with the Cymbals around here. Well, Knuckles, Dog Meowser was playing with the Cymbals in a library. Can you please talk to him about this? He did what? Thanks for telling me that, Sonic. I'll try to talk to Meowser about this. Dog Meowser, we cannot believe that you played with the Cymbals in the library. You either play with the Cymbals in the library like that. It's against the law now. The library is a place to be quiet, not where you play Cymbals at the console right now. That is it. I will be calling your parents about this. Go home right now. Dog Meowser, Knuckles the Extra Happy Caller said to tell you that you play Cymbals in the library. What is the matter with you, young man? I'm sorry, Mom, Dad, because I Cymbals so much because I hate the library so much. So what? That's not give you reason why to play Cymbals in the library. You either play both in a public libraries against the law right now. A library is a place to be quiet, not where you play Cymbals at a music concert. That's it. You are grounded for one day. Go to your room right now and think about what you have done for